Make sure you come to Glow Barbers on the t-shirt, you know. Yo, my people, hey, yo, my people, welcome back to another vlog. As you can see, your boy got the fresh trim, but today we got an eventful day today still. I've got to go Tesco, grab some food for the house. After that, I got a YouTuber coming over. You might have seen her on my channel. I'm going to keep it quiet. I'm going to wait until she comes. We're going to bang hella vids. I'm going to put her in the vlog as well, so you're going to see her. Without further ado, I go... Whoa. If you're new to the channel, I go by the name of J Dots. Make sure you subscribe, show love, like the video if you're enjoying it so far, or watch it until the end. See if you enjoy it. If you like it, then you like it. No likey. If you don't like it, still like it. Still show love. It's all about showing love on this channel. You get me? It's all about showing love. Without further ado, let's get into the day, man. You lot were not. Oh, fam, I can't even speak right now. You lot, I almost got written off. Fam, how am I driving through Tesco car park? It's a one way, innit? When you turn in on the left, but my man is driving like through the car spaces. Like, you see how you're not meant to drive through the car spaces? There's a lane to drive through and you go around. My man's flying through the car spaces in a van, fam. Like, we literally stopped at the last second. Both of us stopped at the last second. Man beat my horn. I was like, "Oi, you're not meant to drive through there." He's like this. "Oh, sorry. Fam, a big van. Fam, the van was like this. That was the size of the van. Just like that. Man almost got written off. You lot, on my life, I'm praying to God today, fam. I'm praying to God, because, fam, you lot, I could have been done. He was coming from the side as well. That means I would have got lit. Nah, you lot, be safe on the road, fam. Big man thing, fam. I could have got done, fam. Oi. Nah, thank God, fam. Thank God. Big man thing, nah. Kind of shook now, fam. But I'm calm, you lot. But that just woken me up, fam. Like, that actually woke me up, fam. Like, before I felt a bit tired, now I'm up. Look at my eyes, I'm up. Still got little bags in that, but mine's up now, fam. Because, fam, nah. I had to show you guys this real quick. You see this? Have one of these a day. You'll be getting guns like this, blood. You get me? Spinach, milk, mangoes. What else did I put in here? Bananas and milk. Boom. So oats. Let me show you which oats it is. This one. That equals this. Actually, I pat in the money to get me some Nando's. You know how it is.
Yeah, go Nando's, guys. I'm hungry. You know, the grind has us hungry. So.
You mean grinding? You lot? We got content for you lot. I pranked her once again. You lot know how it gets. And yeah, we're just chilling right now. Still, just chilling.
For our foods.
What did you get? Tell them.
Who?
You.
Who?
What did you get?
Who?
Oh, you're done at it.
I'm joking. I got 5 hot wings. Garlic bread and chips. Peri chips, though. Obviously, you know, if you only get normal chips.
Allow it. You lot. She got dry chips. You lot. She got the dry chips.
You know what he gets? He gets the butterfly. He gets the butterfly wings. He gets
butterfly wings.
I mean, butterfly chicken. Yeah.
Bruh, you lot. She's
Butterfly
talking about
bread,
butterfly
the
wings. You get
dry
butterfly
bread with
wings.
lemon and herb.
Allow it. Everyone knows what I get. Everyone knows when I'm hungry, man gets the 10 wings, garlic bread, chips. And the peri tomato sauce. I'll get after.
You
I'll get
get them there, or?
after. Is that free?
Well, they always put in the delivery thing.
I'll ask them actually.
Yeah.
Hi, can I get peri tomato sauce, please? Can I get 4, please? Thank you. Trust me, these things.
What do you put on the chips to your chicken?
Put it on both, but the main bit you put it in your chips store. Yeah.
Oh, the one in there. I've never actually had that. I always get it, but I just can never use it.
You never use it? Nah, you have to try it. If you don't get back to the whip, dying. But you lot stay tuned, you know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
Grinding every day, putting in work. Got some bangers for you lot. You lot ain't ready. You lot ain't ready.
For real though.
You lot ain't ready, man. I'm telling you lot. But
That looks like you know.
who?
That elephant thing.
Right, is that what you're on?
Got bunda like you too.
You don't heard that?
them,
You
show
don't heard
them.
that? She prees my backs and that. It's kind of mad.
Jiggles. Literally, I slap it in a cat's back.
Try to say I look like this, blood. She tries to say I look like an elephant. Nah, you're violating. Nah, that's more of your thing still. That's more of your thing. Shit, I didn't even know I could do that. Look.
Oh, right, that's what that's for.
Hard.
Yeah.
Bunna. Look how she's trying to sit next to me, guys.
Oh, you
Look how
are
she's just trying to sit next to me and that.
You are Congo.
She's trying to sit next to me and that.
I don't even know you. Stop telling me everything bad before me.
Wow, you don't know me, but I swear.
You're a fan. Look at Ray's name, he's a fan.
Guys, we all know he's the real fan. We all know.
Don't do that, I'll tell your eyes.
You're gonna hurt me.
I know that hurt you.
That didn't hurt, that tickled.
Okay.
That was minor.
Okay.
Oh, man. My God.
Was it your friend?
Nah, I just know him from the ends. You look, tell her. I'm calm with
I'd
everyone.
be a dickhead and wave back.
If you done that, I'll walk up and just walk back to the car and I'll just call you and say, bring me my food. That's exactly what I would do. You know, how is she trying to wave at someone that she doesn't even know?
Because you know the one saying when you think someone's waving at you, but they're not actually waving at you. Have you ever waved at someone and you thought was waving at you, but wasn't waving at you?
No, who does that?
Ever.
And then what? You're just standing there like a pencil.
Literally, like you're waving at them because they think they're waving at you. You tell them when they're waving at someone, that's so awkward.
Nah, more time, yeah. If someone's waving at me and I don't know them, I'm not gonna lie, I hear them.
Is it? I always
Why are they waving at
never
me?
know. Well, I mean, no, it's they're rude or anything. But
Now, obviously, if they say, yo, J-Dots, that, and then they wave, that's calm.
yeah.
But if they just waving at man and I don't know you, that's a bit weird, no?
yeah, true.
But what you say waving at people you don't know, no?
Yeah, I have. If they wave at me, they smile at me.
Guys, I'm chilling with a weirdo right now. But anyway, guys.
You sit with a guy with bunda bigger than an elephant.
Rah. Yes, thank you. Thank you very much. Come on, secure the bag. Secure the bag. When you lot, I'm gonna see you lot when we get back to the car. I'm out.